Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you the two memory dex dies that I bought off of AliExpress. This one is the pocket memory dex die, and this one is the purse memory dex die. So I will share the purse memory dex die first. So this is what I did. I made this purse one. I still need to put a brad right here. And then this is supposed to be like the layering piece that you can put like over top of the purse, like if you wanted a different effect. But I honestly see, like this can go on the outside to have a different one, but I honestly kind of like being able to put it on the inside so that like if someone's having some kind of challenge or whatever, you can put this in here and then you could like put your information on the back of it like this. And then you could also, use it like this to decorate the inside too if you wanted. So you could just flip this around and decorate the inside of it if you wanted, if you didn't have double-sided paper. So you could use the middle cutout part as different ways than what maybe it was intended to do. And then this piece is supposed to be like a little pocket. And I know that these don't match, but this is supposed to be like the little pocket on the back. So if you just glue down right here on just the sides, you know, then this will actually make a pocket right here. I wouldn't use tape because then the tape would get sticky, but if you just use the glue, then that would work right there. And then if you just put a little brad right here, then this can be your closure. I just haven't done that yet. And then I cut this out in another paper pattern because I just like this pattern. So this is a really cute die. And then I made these ones. So this is like what the front looks like. And then I finally found my Velcro, you guys. So it creates a little pocket in here so you can put something that you want. If you're keeping this for yourself, or you can send your little buddy that you're sending this to, you can put something in here. And then I decorated the back. So I kind of feel like the back is, you can decorate the back more than you can decorate the front just because you need to open it, and I just decorated the flap. And then this is the back of this one. And then silly me, of course, you can see it when you turn it over. But the same thing, got Velcro right here. And then this one, I used this ephemera that I got from Tuesday morning that I showed in a haul. I will try to remember to link that in the description box below. And then I found my magnets because I couldn't find my Velcro at the time. So I did a magnetic closure. I used double-sided paper, the In Bloom paper from my Mind's Eye that matches this ephemera pack. And so then I used that on the back as well. So I hope you like my first time decorating some memory dex cards. Tell me if I did an okay job or not. Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!